Last week, CRO had this incredible run towards the upside, but I did say we were in a rising wedge, and if we were unable to break the upside, which we did very briefly, that we would be pushing down and ultimately would fall out the bottom. But price target for this would have been all the way down here, but notice we have consolidated and now starting to put in these higher lows each time. So something interesting is playing out right here. So let's take a look at what that might be. Now what we can see, guys, is this top line where we're getting resistance, which is around the 0.5 on the Fibonacci, and that's around 81 cents, which is obviously below previous all-time highs. But we are also getting these higher lows each time, and obviously we have had wicks down through, but if we sort of discount the wicks, perhaps we can see that we are in an ascending triangle. Now obviously at the moment we are in a candle that is sort of playing around with the bottom line of this. Now realistically, this pattern does have the opportunity to break out either as a reversal pattern or as a continuation pattern towards the downside. But it's good to see that obviously we did have this downtrend, but that was then cancelled out as we started to put in these lows again. So this, in my opinion, is a very key area that we need to hold. We may potentially have a wick down, and then that would bring us to this next level on the Fibonacci, the red line, at 0.72. But what we're seeing right now is we are kind of finding support here. So if we're able to maintain support, in my opinion, we are going to bounce back towards this upper line. Now, this upper line at 0.18, if we break through the 0.18, then we will be continuing back towards the upside, and this will perhaps turn into some sort of a W pattern. And this will perhaps turn into some sort of W pattern that we're looking at. If we look down at the RSI, looking fairly solid in the middle as we speak. After we hit that sort of big peak and we were very overbought down here, we're now looking a bit healthier, and now we can potentially be looking to push towards the upside. So the two key levels that we need to be paying attention to, if we break 80 cents and we push up, then our price target will be the height of this triangle, and then that will bring us all the way up back to all-time highs. You can see pretty much perfectly at just under $1. But if we're unable to maintain the support, which currently we are retesting, then we could be pushing down towards levels like 0.56. If that is to happen, then perhaps we could be due a longer sort of cool-off period as we kind of rebuild, and eventually we will start moving back towards the upside. So pay attention to what's going on. If we take a drop towards the downside, in the longer term, I still think we're going to be pushing higher with crypto.com. But the good thing about that is that we then get a nice buying opportunity to be able to buy lower. But if we're able to push towards the upside, then obviously we're going to get some good continuation. So always be waiting for these patterns. Don't be impatient. Wait for them to break out. They can always come back and have a retest, and then usually they'll push whichever way that may be. So please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, and if you're new to the channel, then hit the subscribe button as well. Thanks very much for watching.